What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Josh Hendry with Mr. Hen's Art Skills, and we're getting ready to get into Halloween mask making just in time for Halloween. This is one of my favorite projects that I do with middle schoolers, and once you understand the concepts, you can make a lot of different masks and explore different options. So this is actually a mask that I made several years ago. Here's one made from the same mold, so you can actually repeat and make multiples of the same one. I've got a kind of creepy smiley one right here. I've got a jack-o'-lantern one that I just made recently, so that's pretty cool. And then once you understand the materials, you can do a little bit more advanced things. This is actually a jack-o'-lantern puppet that I made, and it was made from two different molds that were then sewn together. So this project is really an entry-level project. There are very sophisticated materials that you could use, but I'm opting for materials that for the most part you can find at a local hardware store, except for the actual latex itself. The acrylic paint, you would probably need to go to an art supply store, but other than that, the silicone and the plaster that you're going to use, all of those things you can pick up at your local hardware store. So again, I do this as a middle school art project, and even if it's not completely polished in exactly the way the student has it envisioned, they almost always come away with a very scary looking Halloween mask, and that makes it a huge success. So without further ado, let's get into this. you.